Hi, my name is Kay Schultz, and I chose Tide Laundry Detergent for this assignment to see how the advertisements has changed from marketing to women and changing its campaign to advertise towards families. Tide's traditional primary target market in North America are women aged 18 to 64, since 39% of Procter & Gamble sales are from North America. Women traditionally play a larger role in maintaining the home, so they have more of an opinion and brand preference when it comes to household cleaning products. Several years ago, many of these women used to be housewives. This role is changing, however, to where they are working full-time and are finding out that they have fewer hours to take care of household duties. Men are finding out and learning that they too need to share the duty of taking care of household chores. Molly, age 19, is a full-time college student and works part-time. Feels laundry and cleaning products are universal, and anyone can do it. When you are away at college or living on your own, nobody's going to do your laundry but you. Dennis, age 55, is old-fashioned and still feels in the year 2018 household chores are the main priorities of women in addition to their full-time job. The shift from the sole female homemaker to children and husbands helping out with the household chores has prompted Tide to shift its targeted demographic to apply to more families instead of just females, as shown in the My Tide campaign 2014. Included in this campaign are spots featuring stay-at-home dads, college students, young couples who share laundry responsibility equally, empty nesters, and parents whose adult children have returned to live at home. Procter & Gamble Everyday is an online news site for Procter & Gamble consumers where they can get information on family health, wellness, beauty, and brands. It also has advice on sleep, style and fashion, hair and skin, and body treatments. Each product that Procter & Gamble has also has its own website. If you would like additional information on Tide and its different variety of products, please visit www.tide.com, where there is a representative anxiously awaiting for you to answer any questions you may have. Listed below is the link that shows how the advertisements of how Tide has changed from the 1950s to 2018, not only with the black and white or color format, but pay attention to the one who is also helping out with the laundry in 2018. This is someone whom you may not have seen in the 1950s helping with household chores.